In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear brothers and sisters, today, we will delve into a topic of immense importance, habits that can increase your rizq. Rizq, in Islamic terminology, encompasses all the blessings and provisions that Allah bestows upon us. It's not just about wealth or material possessions, it includes health, happiness, knowledge, and spiritual growth. The importance of rizq. Rizq is a divine gift. It's a manifestation of Allah's infinite mercy and generosity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Allah has written down the sustenance of every creature before He created them. This hadith emphasizes that rizq is predetermined by Allah, and it's up to us to seek it in the lawful and permissible ways. Habits to increase rizq. Now, let's explore some habits that can help us attract more rizq. Habit number 1 is to trust in Allah. The Quran says, and whoever puts his trust in Allah, He will suffice him. When we trust in Allah, we acknowledge His sovereignty and His ability to provide for us. This trust can lead to a sense of peace and contentment, which can attract more blessings. A story is told about a man who was struggling financially. He prayed to Allah for help and was advised to trust in Him. The man then placed his trust in Allah and, to his surprise, a treasure was found beneath his house. The second habit is gratitude. The Quran says, if you are grateful, I will surely increase my favor upon you. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more blessings. When we express gratitude for what we have, we acknowledge Allah's kindness and open ourselves up to receive more. A hadith states that a man who was grateful for a small amount of food that he had received was given even more. The third habit is giving charity. The Quran says, and whatever you spend in the way of Allah, it will be repaid to you in full, and you will not be wrong. A story is told about a man who was very poor. He used to give away the only loaf of bread he had each day. One day, a bird brought him a loaf of bread. He realized that Allah had rewarded him for his generosity. The fourth habit is patience. The Quran says, and indeed, we will test you with something of fear and hunger and loss of wealth and lives and fruits. And give good tidings to the patient. Patience is a virtue that helps us endure hardships and maintain our faith. It can also attract more blessings. A story is told about a man who was patient in the face of adversity. Allah rewarded him with a great treasure. The fifth habit is seeking knowledge. The Quran says, and those who have knowledge are superior to those who do not. Seeking knowledge is a way of investing in ourselves and our future. It can also open up new opportunities and increase our rizq. A hadith states that the most knowledgeable person in a community is the most respected. The sixth habit. The Quran says, indeed, Allah loves those who work diligently. Working hard is a sign of our commitment to providing for ourselves and our families. It can also attract more blessings. A story is told about a man who worked tirelessly to provide for his family. Allah rewarded him with a great fortune. The seventh habit is making dua. The Quran says, call upon me, I will answer you. Making dua, or supplication, is a powerful way to connect with Allah and seek His blessings. A hadith states that a believer's dua is never rejected. The eighth habit is maintaining good relationships. The Quran says, and establish ties of kinship. Maintaining good relationships with our family and friends can create a positive and supportive environment, which can attract more blessings. A hadith states that a person's good deeds are weighed against his bad deeds. If his good deeds outweigh his bad deeds, he will enter paradise. Conclusion. Dear brothers and sisters, increasing our rizq is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and faith. By adopting the habits we have discussed today, we can open ourselves up to more blessings and live a life of abundance and contentment. May Allah bless us all with an increase in our rizq and guide us on the straight path.